So if you are a content writer and you want to generate a high quality content just in a few minutes, you can do so by using ChatGPT. You just need to give it a set of instructions. So I have copied some instructions somewhere else. I will be copy pasting it here. These are my instructions. So I am writing a travel blog. So I am giving it an instruction to write an SEO blog on Masuri in about 1500 words in UK English for Indian audience. And I wanted to follow the below mentioned structure. My structure, the first one is the lead paragraph and introduction. After that, there is a main body, and the main body should include subheadings and sub-subheadings. Now this body should include information about Mussoorie, reasons to visit Mussoorie, how to reach Mussoorie, how to reach by bus, by road, by train, by flight, and the best way to reach Mussoorie. After that, I wanted to write about the weather of Mussoorie, the best time to visit Mussoorie, where to stay in Mussoorie, what to see in Mussoorie, things to do in Mussoorie, and other nearby places to visit. I also wanted to write about things to pack for Mussoorie trip and local transport in Mussoorie. After that, I want an itinerary for Mussoorie trip for 2 days or 3 days or 4 days or 5 days. After that, I want distance of popular cities from Mussoorie so that people can reach easily. Now, next is the other tips like banks, ATM, petrol pump, etc. After that, I want the conclusion of the whole blog. And after that, I want 5 FAQs which the readers should answer. And then the 5 keylights of the entire blog. Now I want this blog to be SEO focused. So I have written 6 SEO keywords and I want these to appear in the blog. So I have given instruction to use these words 2-3 times each. I also have given a formatting guidelines to use title case for all the headings. Now I will be pressing enter and giving it the command. Here it goes. It started writing about Mussoorie, the introduction, 4-5 lines of introduction, then about Mussoorie, another 4-5 lines. Then the reasons to visit Mussoorie, 4-5 reasons. Then how to reach Mussoorie by road, then how to reach Mussoorie by bus, how to reach Mussoorie by train, how to reach Mussoorie by flight, and the best way to reach Mussoorie. Then about the weather of Mussoorie. Sometimes it stops generating response abruptly, so I need to give it another command to continue from where it stopped. Continue from where you stopped, and then it will generate from after that. So now it's writing about best time to visit Mussoorie and where to stay in Mussoorie. So it is giving a list of hotels to visit and when to see Mussoorie, what to see in Mussoorie. These are the places to visit, things to do in Mussoorie, the activities one can do, and other nearby places like Dhanolti, Kanatal, etc. Things to pack for a Mussoorie trip, local transport in Mussoorie, and now it is giving an itinerary for Mussoorie trip, 2-day itinerary, 3-day itinerary, and 4-day itinerary. After that, I wanted a conclusion, so it is given conclusion, then FAQs, and the key highlights of the article. So it is so simple to generate such a huge text of quality content writing in just a few minutes. If you want to know more about this ChatGPT, please write in comments. I will try to make another video.